everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're checking out the COMFEE Toaster Oven Air Fryer with FLASHWAVE Rapid Heat technology. This versatile kitchen gadget promises to make your cooking faster, easier, and more delicious. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, this oven packs a punch with 1,750 watts of power and the innovative FLASHWAVE Rapid Heat technology. It heats up in just 0.2 seconds, making it up to 40% faster than conventional ovens. Imagine preparing your meals in as little as 15 minutes, perfect for those busy evenings. The COMFEE Air Fryer Toaster Oven isn't just a one-trick pony. With 10 different cooking functions, including air fry, roast, broil, sear crisp, rapid bake, and more, you can whip up anything from crispy fries to a perfectly baked pizza. And with its intuitive digital control panel, adjusting time and temperature is a breeze. Craving something crispy? This oven's air fry mode and 4 air fry presets ensure your food comes out perfectly browned and crispy every time. Whether it's fried chicken, wings, or veggies, you'll get that delicious fried texture with little to no oil. Say goodbye to guilt and hello to healthier eating. Despite its compact footprint, this oven has plenty of room for all your cooking needs. It fits a 12-inch pizza, up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, or 6 slices of toast. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this oven has got you covered. And let's not forget the 2 rack positions that make multi-level cooking a snap. This oven comes with everything you need to get started: a baking rack, baking tray, removable crumb tray, and air fry basket. Plus, the bake tray is coated with enamel, making cleanup super easy. No more scrubbing and scraping, just wipe it down and you're good to go. Positive points: powerful 1750 watts for faster cooking. Multifunctional with 10 cooking options. Efficient air fry mode for healthier meals. Spacious interior fits large meals. Easy to use digital controls and presets. Compact design saves counter space. Includes useful accessories for versatile cooking. Negative points: LED display could be brighter for better visibility. Fan can be a bit noisy at times. So, should you add the COMFEE Toaster Oven Air Fryer to your kitchen? Absolutely. It's powerful, versatile, and efficient. Everything you need in a countertop oven. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, this oven will make your life easier and your meals tastier. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.